Hey guys, today we're in Charlotte at the water park and we're gonna have some fun. Let's go. Guys, I just stopped by the gift shop and got some wolf ears. Now I'm ready to go. I'm gonna check it out. Whoa! Whoa! This is so cool. Wait a minute. I know there's something. That was really fun going down the biggest slide here. Well, let's keep going. Huge bucket. Mommy, please passport. I'm not ready to buy that huge bucket. Start going down, so I'll be up there. I hope you guys can see me. I don't know what it is. It must be about a moose because I can see this magic wand, and we are gonna solve some quests. And I have a guidebook to tell me where they all are. So let's see where the first one will be in a second. See what this does? I hope it works. It works. It's a jam. Ah, yeah.
Need all of your creativity and imagination to bring this story to life. So, really quick, I need to make sure. Can we all be super loud?
Hi, fam. I'm starting to do a new quest. I already found 2 gems. Just 4 more to go. Let's go find them. So guys, today's the end of the day. We'll see what we can do tomorrow. Well, guys, it's time to go to sleep. As you can see, it's nighttime, so let's have another adventure tomorrow. Stop it! I did. So guys, it's time to go to sleep. I'm gonna catch you later tomorrow. Bye!